Alright, here we go. Today we're making a bedside table out of a ladder. First thing you're going to need is a ladder and $25,000 worth of tools. I'm real shit at welding, so the misso's here to show me how it's done. Look at her go. Zip, zap zap, zip. Righto, from here we start to prepare our timber. In this case we've got some Douglas fir that we salvage from the tip. So far the whole job's only cost us about $5. Shelf goes in, bang, perfect fit. Drill some holes in the little bastard and send her home, son. You beauty. Next thing, give the edges a bit of a sand. Swoosh! Now we do a bit of a pan around. Last thing to do, put her in position. Walk away. Job done. You'll